Hey everyone, this is my first YouTube video ever at Reid Motorsports, and I just bought a new car, so hopefully we can get this thing up and running here this spring, and let's have a fun summer and go really fast. Now let's take a look at it. Well, here's the new car. This car was my buddy's car, Dylan, and it was built at Excessive Auto Sports out in South Dakota. Has a LSX 388 in it with twin S369s. Made some real healthy horsepower. I wish I had the wallet to afford it, but I don't. So we're gonna stick a stock bottom end in it and let her rip. Has a racecraft built 25.5 cage. Holley EFI with a Dominator, welds all the way around. It's been to Cache the Creek a handful of times. It's got big AFCOs in the back, 35 spline axles, 355 gears, powerglide trans. Should be a pretty simple swap for a stock bottom end 5.3. The wiring on this car is absolutely amazing. It was wired many years ago, but it works great. Should be a good one. So I didn't get a ton of time to film after we got taken the whole car apart. My buddies were over and we were all hanging out and had a couple of beers and relaxed after a long day of working. But here she is. It is all tore apart. The motor is out. What I do get to keep with this car are the smart coils, fuel regulator, but the fuel pump is still the owner, so I gotta pull all that stuff out. And there's actually a small crack in the weld of the fuel tank that I gotta fix up. It's right about in there, which was causing us some leaking issues last year, which was very frustrating. But other than that, I haven't filmed a whole lot since then. But I did take the interior of the car apart a little bit and just trying to clean up some of the wiring here. Like I said earlier, the original wiring in this car was very nice, very neatly done, but some of the stuff that's been added is a little sloppy, so I'm gonna clean all this up and route it so it looks all nice, and that should turn out pretty dang good. And then over here, I have my screen mount, and the screen was originally being held on by a Motion Raceworks screen mount for the steering column, but I am going to make it fit on here. So I'll probably have to move my blinker lights over a little bit, and then drill some holes and get that mounted up. I think that's a super clean look. I'm very excited for it. Other things, as you can tell, I got some packages from Summit Racing and Jags Motorsports, so I should be able to start getting the engine assembled when I get it. And then, if you check this thing out, in the mail today came my VS Racing 102mm turbo. I got this thing for a score of a price from Tim McCallum, It is a badass unit and should make some real healthy steam, and I'm super excited to stick it on the car. He is a great guy to deal with. Shipping was fast. I ordered it Sunday and it came here today, and today is Friday. So I'm gonna be really excited to put this thing on here. Jake, what's going on here?
We didn't make it.
It's a little rocky. The Geo is stuck.
Now they're going this way. Wait, hold on. Hold on. If I angle left more? Don't hit those rocks.
Don't hit the rocks.